The first thing we observe is that these two log terms have different bases, so we need to convert this term into a base 2 log by using the change of base rule given here. Therefore, log base 4 x plus 8 can be written as log base 2 x plus 8 over log base 2 4. Now, this denominator is simply 2, so plugging this into the equation and multiplying both sides by 2, we get 2 log base 2x plus log base 2x plus 8 equals to 6. Now, using the log power rule on the first term, we get log base 2x squared plus log base 2x plus 8 equals to 6. And using the log product rule, we can combine the left-hand side as log base 2 x squared, open brackets, x plus 8 equals to 6. Now we can rewrite this equation in the exponential form as x squared times x plus 8 equals to 2 to the power of 6, which expands into the equation x cubed plus 8x squared minus 64 equals to 0. Now, to solve this cubic, we can try plugging in different values for x, and using x equals to minus 4, we indeed get the left-hand side equal to 0. And therefore, the cubic can be factorized as x plus 4 times x squared plus 4x minus 16 equals to 0. On the second bracket, using the quadratic formula, with a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to minus 16, we get these roots. And since x has to be positive, therefore, x equals to minus 2 plus 2 root 5 is the answer.